Kind of bounces up on its own and it stabilizes as well. Now to get this going, you just throw it up in the air and it just moves. Now, see it's not bouncing on its own. And now we're gonna move this way. To catch it, you just grab it and flip it upside down. This is the DRC Mini Kids Drone. It says 6 ages, but we actually got this for a 3-year-old who just loves and adores RC toys. Now we needed to make sure that it's very easy to operate and it's safe. This is built with some sort of a soft, flexible plastic. And it just kind of bounces off, right? It's not gonna hurt itself. So this particular toy is pretty good ratings on Amazon. When I say pretty good, it's the best seller by over 1,000 people. We want to make sure that if she catches her hands or it falls, it doesn't break and it continues to work. The flight time on it is about 4 to 5 minutes, fully charged, and it recharges in about 25 to 30 minutes. This is how you charge it. You plug it into a power bank, computer, laptop, pretty much anything that's got a USB. To turn it on, up the button, you throw it up in the air and it starts to go, and then it works the gesture control. So you basically just do this and the drone will basically direct itself that way. It's got a couple sensors on the top, down, and on the side. You don't really have to worry about bouncing into things because this can fall to the floor and it just kind of bounces off, right? It's not gonna hurt itself. It's not super responsive, but it's enough for it to have fun. Now there are 2 modes. You press this on button, hold it for 2 seconds, you're going to get a green light. Now green light is the slow mode. If you want to get to the second mode, you press it again and you have the blue mode. Now this one's a lot faster. Okay, and then switch to green mode again. Now to get this going, you just throw it up in the air and it just moves. So check this out. Now, you see it's not bouncing on its own. And now we're going to move this way. And now we're going to move this way. Takes a little bit of practice. Come on. Come on. There it goes. Pretty cool toy. Never had one like this when I was a kid. So there's cats in here. And they're definitely so it's a little bit of a delayed reaction. To catch it, you just grab it and flip it upside down. Let's try the fast mode now. So the fast mode is here. Press it, and now in fast mode. So again, throw it up. And so it's a lot faster. There you go. Yeah. It kind of bounces up on its own and it stabilizes as well. And then you could just, again, you could just, so you could just catch it. Very cool.
Are you gonna buy one for the 3-year-old? Can you play this one?
No, I just think it's cool. And absolutely nothing wrong with it. Now, if you love this little toy, they have other professional RC drones with cameras. They have teenage and adult toys. So if you're looking for a remote control car for a kid that's maybe 5 to 9 years old, you may want to check out the DE42. It's got 80 minutes of play. It goes off-road. The controller is really simple. Now, if you've got a teenager at home or an adult and you want to
Get into the hobby of remote control racing, I would say a good starter car is their 9300 model. It's an all-wheel drive. It goes pretty fast, about 40 kilometers an hour. It's an off-road, super quick, little speedy car. Now, if you're really into speed and crazy maneuvers with remote control cars, you may want to look at 2 of their other cars. One is the Deerc 200E with a brushless motor, and it's got 2 shells. It's got all-terrain tires that are capable of crossing mud, dirt, rocks, pretty much anything you throw at it. And it comes with 2 7.4 1800 milliamp batteries. And then there's the Deerc 9206E, which is an absolute monster of a truck. And I would say it's one of the best remote controls that this company has produced. This RC comes with metal differential gears. It's got oil-filled shocks. And of course, a brushless motor and 2 body shells in case you were to damage one. You're looking at about 25 to 38 minutes of play from our tests, depending on how hard you push the car. And the range on all of the RC cars that I mentioned is about 100 meters, about 330 feet.